I'm going to start making my broth, and I've just got a big pot. I think mine's like 20 liters. You can definitely do a smaller batch. We just go through it so much. We use it in our cooking every single day. So we use it in just drinking a cup in the morning, adding it to soups, just replacing it for water every time we cook. Just trying to get in as much as we can every day. But if first time you're doing this, start small and then move on from there. So this is all the things I'm going to be putting into the broth. Once I put the bones, I'm going to add some garlic, some leeks, some onions, some carrots. I've got parsley, sage, celery. You don't even have to peel it, so literally you can put it in like this. It should be just really easy. I don't even peel the carrots. It's really up to you and the flavors that you like to create, and it changes every time depending on what I have in the fridge and if I'm making beef broth or if I'm making lamb. Sometimes I'll put rosemary in, sometimes I'll put, especially with the chicken, I'll have to put like lemongrass and ginger and just change the flavors up so we're not having the same broth all the time. And then I'll also add some like bay leaves and peppercorns and some salt. And I always add about a bit of the apple cider vinegar as well. So they're just some ideas for you to add to your broth to change the flavour up as well. You can roast the bones for some extra flavour, but this is an optional step. You can skip it and go straight to the next step. Pour boiling water over the pan so you don't leave any juice behind. Add it to the pot so you don't miss out on any flavour. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you want to see more free videos like this, please make sure you share this video with your friends. Thanks.